Good morning, students. Today we are going to start worksheet 3 of chapter 8. Okay, in worksheet 3, triangle inequality. Although this name is new for you, but this is the another property of triangle. The property is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. You already done this property. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Okay, in question number 1 of worksheet 3, it is given which of the following can be the sides of a triangle. Measurement of sides are in centimeters. Okay, sides are given to us. The sides are in centimeters. We have to see whether these sides are the measurements of a triangle or not. Firstly, we will write A part. We will do given sides are 6, 4 and 8. Okay, firstly we will add any two sides. Sum of two sides, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, and it is greater than third side. In this way we will write. You already done these questions in 5th class also. Sum of two sides, another two sides we will take now. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12, and this is also greater than third side. Okay, in this way. And now we will take another two sides. Sum of that sides 14 is also greater than third side, which is 4. Okay, in every case sum is greater than third side, then we can write yes, given sides can be the sides of a triangle. Okay, yes, triangle inequality is valid. Okay, in this way we will do other parts also. Second part we will also do given sides are 8, 11 and 18. Okay, same way we will do find sum of two sides and compare with third side. See, in first case sum of two sides is greater than third side. It is not greater than third side, it is equal. Okay, and in second and third case this is greater, because here it is not greater. That's why we will write no, given sides cannot be the sides of a triangle. Or in another way we can write no, triangle inequality is not valid. Okay, in this way you can do another parts of this question. Now we are going to start question number 2. In question number 2, a point O is in the interior of triangle ABC. Use the symbols greater than, less than or equal to make the equality these statements true. Okay, this is the question given. We will start from here. A point O is in the interior of triangle ABC. Firstly we will draw a triangle and O point is in the interior of this triangle. Okay, we will join this A to O, B to O, C to O. In this way we will get 1, 2, 3, 3 small triangles also. Now one by one we will take these triangles. In triangle AOB, see, the sum of these two sides is greater than third side. Okay, triangle inequality. Here triangle B, in triangle BOC, same, sum of these two sides. Okay, these two sides are equal. Sum of these two sides is greater than third side. In third case also triangle AOC, or you can say COA, both are same. Sum of these two sides is greater than third side. Clear? These are, see, first, second and third. Now we will add these three. Okay, LHS we will add. Okay, RHS we will add, and in between them we will write greater sign. Okay, in this way we will write twice OA, twice OB, twice OC we will get. We will write in this way. Okay, now we have taken two common in this way. Now although it is up to here you can do, but in the question it is asked show that this is less than this. So then we will write it in another way. Okay, we will write it first, then smaller sign is this side, we will write it like this. Okay, in this way we have proved. Okay, in third question, the length of two sides of a triangle are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and between what two measure should be the length of third side fall? Okay, two sides of a triangle are given. It is asked from you that in between which measure the third side fall. Okay, given two sides are 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Let third side will come in this box. We written one blank box here. Okay, only to find the third side. By triangle inequality, we know that sum of two sides is greater than third side. Okay, it should be, third side should be 9 maximum. Okay, and here box, blank box, we have written box plus 4, it should be greater than third side. Clear? It should be greater than third side. From our side we have written 3 because we know that their sum should be greater than third side. Okay, and in 6 plus box and third side is 4, here we will write minimum number. Okay, 0 we cannot write. Okay, this is already greater than 4. Then after greater than 0 we have written 1. Okay, 1 we have written here. Then we can say the measure of third side or length will falls between 3 centimeter and 9 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, in this way this worksheet is finished. Complete this worksheet. Okay, thank you.